Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, and today's video is going to be showing you guys how to lock a key fob in you guys' vehicle here. I had an email here recently. Here it is. Feel free to pause the video to read that. It's saying, hey, I'm out there on the water. I don't want to take my fob with me because I'm afraid it's going to get wet and damaged. How do I lock it in the car so I can come back and get into the car? Let's show you guys right now how to do that, all right? Let's get going. The key fob here with you guys now, as you guys can clearly see for the 23-year model. Right here is a little button. You're going to select this button, pull this right out, so now you have a key right here, okay? So now we're gonna throw that key fob right in here in the car. We're gonna shut the door, all right? As you get down here on the driver's side door, underneath is gonna be a keyhole, okay? So what you're gonna do is simply put that key right in there. You wanna make sure the door is shut. You're gonna push it towards the front, and there we go. So now your car is all locked, the key fob's in there, and there we go, guys. Now let's say that you got one of these key fobs right here, okay? It's going to be a little different from the previous one that we just talked about to you as well because of the setup and the design of the key fob. So for example, like you can find these here for the 2017 to 22 year model CRVs. These fobs will be available on selective trims, okay? Now you're also going to have these on other models too as well. For example, like the Ridgeline right here, okay? Now cool thing about this, on some of the models, you actually have a keyhole right here on the outside of the door handle, okay? So on your key fob, you can have a nice little switch right here. Simply slide that over to see if we can do this one-handed. There we go. And this comes right out. You have a whole key right there for you guys, all right? So what you do is drop your key fob in the car wherever you want to store it. You shut the door, you take the key fob, and then you lock it, all right? So now as I'm pulling on the handle, I locked my key fob in the car. From that point, now I can go out and get on the water and enjoy my day. All right, guys, well, thanks again for watching. Now, keep in mind in these scenarios, I just shared the reason you lock your key fob in the car that way is because you don't have the second fob. Where you just take the second fob out of your pocket and you hit the lock button and it registers that you're purposely locking the fob in the car, okay? So this scenario is when you just have one fob, you're out there and you just don't have the second to lock it in there. This is how you do that too as well from that point, okay? Well, thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.